Mrs. Soweto Lufuno Muthiba usenxusa umphakathi ukuthi ubeke eqhulwini impilo yawo ngokuvakashela izikhungo zezempilo. Namhlanje uMuthiba ebambisene nomnyango wezempilo baletha usizo lwezempilo olubalulekile okuhlanganisa ukuhlolelwa isandulela ngculazi, isifo sofuba, umfutho wegazi ophakeme nokusokwa kwabesilisa kubahlali baseProtea South. Segqugquzele umphakathi waseProtea South ukuba uzinakekele ngokwezempilo ngokuhambela imitholampilo. Lokhu kushiwo uNobuhle uMrs. Soweto njengoba namhlanje esondeze ezempilo emphakathini yangakubo.
We rotate different communities in Soweto, and we realize that particularly the community La Sikona Namhlanje, which is Protea South, next to the informal settlement, that there's a lot of issues, all right? Besides hunger, besides a lot of in terms of service, basic service delivery, okay? And we saw that a lot of people were ill. They were tender weight from hospitals because of, a lot of issues. So we thought, why not bring the clinic to them?
Kusenjalo umphakathi othole ithuba lokuzixilonga ukhala ngemali emba eqolo yokugibela uma uya emtholampilo.
Thole ama-advice ayithu bengawa-understand. Ama-treatment wami ngiyawathatha every after 4 months, 6 months ngihambe para eklinikhi. So but i-cholesterol yami benga-understand ukuthi mangiphethe kumele ngenzani mase kubuhlungu la emqolo i-cholesterol. So abo sister explainela ukuthi ngenze kanjani, and then nangamehlo ngoba amehlo vele under i-treatment yamehlo eSt John's, but bengifuna ukwazi more.
Clinic itlile mokhukhung ke ne re sa lebella pelo tsena tsa rona di thabile re checkile di tswekere di high blood wa tseba ho monate fela a modimo ba hlonolofatsa.
Lolu hlelo okulindeleke lisabalala ezindaweni eziningi zaseSoweto ukugqugquzela ukunakekelwa kwezempilo emphakathini. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngiseProtea South.